Hey everybody, it's James, and it's that time again. It's Loot Crate time. I've been eagerly awaiting this one since some of my friends got theirs before me, but I cannot wait to show you what's inside of my Loot Crate. I haven't opened it, so as always, we are experiencing this together. Alright, here we go. This month's theme is covert. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Right on the top, you can see that there is a t-shirt. But as always, I'll show the t-shirt last. There is the top of the box. It's a keyboard, fingerprint access. So supposedly some sort of spy keyboard. I will show the shirt last. So, what do we have in here? All right. Well, first off, we have a watch. Are you kidding me? A stealth wristwatch? Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. Please tell me you're kidding me. Tell me they're kidding me. Let's see. That's freaking cool. It's a watch. It's a freaking watch. That's awesome. A watch. Are you kidding me? A watch, y'all. Looks like we got a free digital download of Ninjak #1. Cool. Comicsology. What do we have here? Oh, an Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. thing. Let's see what we have here. EFX Collectibles. What is this? Let's see. Hold 1 second while I open this. Dun 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 dun. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. 1 moment. It's gonna go black for a moment. Yeah. This thing is really, really secured. That sticker did not want to let me in. Okay, so we're back. I had to fight it, but I got it. Let's see what we got in here. It is an Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. It's an Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. pass card. It's an ID card from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what is this? Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. lanyard. An official prop. That is freaking cool. I'm excited about that. That's so awesome. So awesome. Did I mention that the theme was covert for this month? Let's see what we have here. This is what is this? It's a bracelet with the Loot Crate symbol in the middle. I imagine that it must be probably one of those, in case of emergencies, you can unthread it and use it as a rope thing. But I'll look in the book at the end to see what this is. Field notes, classified. Looks like a couple of notepads. Yep, that's what they are. It's a couple of notepads. Neat, nice to have. It's being that I tend to take a lot of notes about various little things I need to. That'll be handy. Ah, okay. Here is the lanyard to go along with the actual string to go along with my Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. ID badge. Mad Libs. Spy Mad Libs. How funny. That's cool. Let's see. For more paracard action, all paracord. As I thought, it's a paracord survival bracelet. You unwrap it. That's what I thought it was. Paracord. Okay. What is this? This is this month's button. Loot Crate theme covert for March. And there is the book for this month. I always enjoyed the books. Many people complain about the books, but I always enjoy them. I enjoy reading them. And we have a comic, Orphan Black. You know, I have not checked. I thought about checking this out on TV, but I haven't watched it. So I think it's on Netflix. I may have to catch up with it. And this is the interior of it, the covert computer. The interior of the box in order to make it look like a little computer. So, once again, we got a comic book, the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. lanyard, free digital download, a freaking watch, paracord, notepads, the book, Mad Libs, oh, the lanyard, and least I forget, we have the freaking shirt. It's a James Bond shirt. This is stirred. Apparently, if you don't know, James Bond often ordered his drinks shaken, not stirred. So apparently, how cute. But that's all for this month. Join me next month, and I'll be doing another video for my Munch Pack and for my Loot Crate. And you never know, I might decide to do another little video here or there. But until then, take care, my friends.